I've got to thank so many people. Thanks very much, first of all, to Plymouth Sound for supporting Club 97 over the last 5.5 years. You guys have been brilliant. Graham, Gavin, Peter and Dave as well. And the DJs for providing the mixes, if I can get my way through this, and also for being absolute stars. Jamie Allen, Alan Cook, Terry T, Brendan Bass, Paul Honey, Tom Costello, DJ Naz, Jim T.C. Honeywell, Steve Bell, Craig Roxburgh, Tim French, John Richardson, Carl Cosby, Chris Fynham, Matt Vinyl, Steve Edwards, there's a name, Steve Fudge, Chris Davis, Damian James, Steve Wonderhands, Kev Smoothhound Walters, Ian McKenzie, Ben McGowan, and Stuart J. I'm sure there's going to be a few more names coming to the front of my memory as the time goes on tonight. Thank you so much also to you guys for listening to the show and supporting it fully over the last 5.5 years.
Club 97 every Saturday night from 7 till 10 with Darren Watts and the Millennium Complex. The future of clubbing in the Southwest.
I knew I'd forget somebody if I started doing a name check. Kev Rose, I do apologise to you. Brilliant DJ, done a few mixes for me over the past 5.5 years. Big F is...
The Mix. Club 97 on 97 FM Plymouth Sound.
Coming up to 3 minutes past 9. Good evening, Darren Watts on 97 FM Plymouth Sound. Club 97 has had 5.5 glorious years. Again, I cannot reiterate enough how much you guys have meant to me over that time. I'm going to get very emotional in a minute. Thanks very much to all the DJs. Thanks very much to Plymouth Sound for supporting the show through difficult times sometimes. And thanks very much for you. I hope you've enjoyed the music that I played to you and the way that I've presented the show over that time. And don't forget, I'm still DJing in Millennium every single Thursday, Friday and Saturday night. I'll be up there tonight if you want to come and say hi. We are playing out in fine style. I've been organising this for about 4 weeks now, and Andre Tannenberger got in touch and offered his services because he heard it was going to be the last ever Club 97 tonight. ATB in the mix on 97 FM Plymouth Sound. Have a listen.
I've been looking for a way to let you know I got nothing left to fill the spaces. I got nothing but a center coming and done. I've been doing circles and it shows. I've been to all the familiar places. I've been running like a sentence never begun. I've been looking for a way to let you know I got nothing left to fill the spaces. I got nothing but a center coming and done. I've been doing circles and it shows. Every cloud, the end of the sky, every place that I hide. Tell me that I was wrong to let you go. Every sound that I hear, every noise that I feel. Tell me that
Turn up the volume and taste the mix.
All the subtle flavors of my life I'll become bitter seeds, poison leaves without you. You represent what's true. I drain the color from the sky and turn blue without you. These arms lack a purpose, flapping like a hummingbird. I'm nervous 'cause I'm the left eye, you're the right. Would it not be madness to fight? We come one. In you, the song which rights my wrongs. In you, the fullness of living. The power to begin again from right now. In you, 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 in you.
97 FM, Plymouth Sound.
Having it on the weekend, Club 97. the volume and taste the mix. Club 97.
Girls can wear jeans, cut their hair short, wear shirts and boots. It's okay to be a boy. But for a boy to look like a girl is degrading. Because you think that being a girl is degrading. But secretly, I'd love to know what it's like, wouldn't you? What it feels like for a girl.
up the volume and taste the mix. the volume and taste the mix.
In a time when nothing's lasting long, and I need to feel you close to me. As my lover, I need to keep you warm. 'Cause my life is so unreal without you. You're an angel, I see you passing by. And the voice that calls me under, baby, is a mother crying for her child. When the sun lights a rainbow, I felt it with joy I feel. And the dreamers dream I need to have you near me in a time when nothing's lasting long, and I need to feel you close to me. As my lover, I need to keep you warm. 'Cause my life is so unreal without you. You're an angel, I see you passing by. And the voice that calls me under, baby, is a mother crying for her child. When the sun lights a rainbow,
Well, for the last 50 minutes or so, you've been listening to the final ever Club 97 mix tonight from ATB. The track listing, first up with his own track, Let You Go, on Contour Records. That was into the massive Faithless and Weekend One. DJ Tulsha, Pictures of Gallery, Casey Remix, Madonna, What It Feels Like to Be a Girl, the brilliant Above and Beyond mix. Rank 1 new single on that big time at Millennium right now, Such As Life on Club Groove. That was into Tunnel All Stars and Blue Lagoon, the Rank 1 remix on Perfecto, Mecca and Diamondback. Minimalistics, brand new tune from them. DJ Gert's Tribal Trance mix of Twin Peaks, Toucan and the ATB remix of Light a Rainbow, and this, the wicked Above and Beyond mix of Dario G and Dream to Me. Thank you very much for the last 5.5 years. Next week from 6, it's Mel and Rob with Saturday Night Live.
Club 97 every